Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Has this ever happened to you? Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today, for choosing to support my channel, and for choosing to be positive. Thank you so much. Y'all, yesterday I went to Dollar Tree, and I didn't go for me. I went for my oldest daughter. There was one thing in particular she was looking for that she couldn't find, and she wanted to know if I could find it. Well, I went into the Dollar Tree, could not find it, but I found so much goodness that I am just dying to share it with you. So has it ever happened to you where you've gone into the store for one thing, you leave the store, you don't even have that one thing, but you have a whole lot of other things? That's what happened to me. But I'm pretty sure that I should be sharing this with you because if you have access to a Dollar Tree, you might want to pick up a few of these. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera and give you a very quick view. There's not a whole lot, but boy is it impressive. And before I switch to my overhead camera, Loki is just dying to say hello to you guys. So Loki, look. Say hello, friends. Loki's on her way to get her hair cut, but she needed a moment in my lap, so we're having our cuddle time, and she is going to go get her hair cut in about 15 minutes. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera now and show you what I picked up at Dollar Tree. All right, y'all, like I said, it's not a whole lot that I'm going to be showing you, but I thought it was a pretty impressive little find, and I wanted to share it. So the first thing that I found these beautiful woven baskets. Everything that I'll be showing you is $1.25, but I did notice while I was in the store that the $1.50, the $3, the $5, all of that is intermingled. So make sure that you pay particular attention to what it is that you're purchasing in that price. But look at these little baskets. I think that these are just so stinking cute. So I found these in the frame and wooden section of the store, but I'm not sure where they might be in yours. But look at how cute these are. You can buy bunches of these, and I think I bought 4, and you can set them out strategically. You can set them beside your bed. You can put them in the bathroom. You can put them on your desk. You can even turn these into home decor pieces by building up something on the inside. They're about 6 inches around and a little over 3 inches high. So they're a nice size bowl to have sitting out. I mean, you can put all types of goodies in this bowl if you want and just set it somewhere on your desk. And y'all, then I found the pumpkin jars. They have them in clear. Look at how beautiful that is. And this is a nice size jar. You can put all types of goodies in this. It really is a very substantial jar. Again, $1.25. But it also comes in this nice amber color. And it's going to be hard to see that color on camera, but it is so rich and so beautiful. So you can buy these to set out. You can buy these to fill. I do have a little idea for one of these, maybe 2 of them. And I'll be sharing that hopefully maybe next week. And then the last thing I picked up some new stickers, y'all. I'm always looking for stickers, and the Dollar Tree never disappoints. They have truly stepped up their sticker game. I cannot say that enough. I know I say it a lot, but the quality of the stickers and the variety of the stickers has greatly improved. So I'm just going to open these. All right, y'all, I've taken all the stickers out of the pack, and I think that there were 6 different styles in all. There are 3 that resemble a stained glass look, and I absolutely love these. So I'm going to place them down on white paper so that you can see. And I've tried to zoom in some so that you can see. But these stickers are designed to look like stained glass. And they have different sayings. Believe in the magic of harvest. Carve out some good times and happy harvest. And then you have all of these pumpkins. So you get a lot of choices on this particular sticker sheet. Like I said, I've never seen these at Dollar Tree. Maybe you guys have. But these are some fabulous autumn stickers that I'll be showing you. Then we have this one. Really, really cute. We have a candle jar, a pie, some coffee, a wreath, We have all types of goodies on here, and then you have some little sayings. But y'all, look at how cute these are. I'm just going to peel one off and just put it on my paper like that so that you can see the statement it'll make if you use it in your paper crafting or crafting of any type. You can probably also put these on a glass frame. I think they would show up beautifully on that. And then we have these, and it's just a whole bunch of different sayings. Hello fall, so very grateful, so very thankful. Just a whole bunch of different sayings. But look at the quality of these. Like I said, this is supposed to mimic stained glass, and I think they did a really good job with it. These are not flimsy at all. They are really almost like a resin. And then there's this beautiful autumn page of stickers. You have the basket of apples, the deer, the red truck with the pumpkins in the back, pumpkins, an envelope filled with leaves, sunflower, sunflower, and then just a whole bunch of little stickers in between, and that cup of pumpkin spice latte. So look at these beautiful, beautiful stickers. I'll bet a lot of you can probably think of some things that you would do with these. And then there's the page of different whimsical pumpkins. Y'all know I like the whimsical, and I consider these to be elegant whimsical, because look at these, and look at all of the pumpkin combinations that you get. You get the singles, but then you get the pumpkins that are mixed. So beautiful, beautiful pumpkin choices in stickers from the Dollar Tree. And then finally we have the gnome page, which I think is my favorite set of stickers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gnomes. Then we have some stickers in between. This gnome is carrying what looks like a pumpkin latte in that famous cup, but they've kind of altered the cup a little bit. But look at how beautiful these are. Just how vibrant. Let's go ahead and peel one so that you can see how that looks. That is not a small sticker by any means. This is at least 2 inches high. Y'all, look at how big that is. And not all of them are as big as this one. This one and this one seem to be a little bit shorter, maybe 1.5 inches, but they are substantial enough to really show up on your projects. So y'all, this is what I unintentionally bought from the Dollar Tree when I went into the Dollar Tree for one thing and one thing only. That's what happens. You'll run across a whole bunch of other things that might be a pretty good deal, too good to pass up. And stickers for me are always too good to pass up. So I hope that you've enjoyed this, because if you have a Dollar Tree near you and you are interested in growing your sticker collection, this is a great way to do it. You can go in, you might not find these, you might find some comparable ones. Great way. Pick up a few packs, add them to your stack, especially if you're new to paper crafting. Pick up some more packs down the road when you're able to, and just keep growing and growing and growing that sticker collection. And I have a feeling that Dollar Tree is going to have some fabulous Christmas stickers coming out. So I'm going to be on the lookout for those as well. And if I find them, of course, I'm going to share them with you. But isn't this basket cute? I hope that you've enjoyed this quick video. If you have, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.